Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming model and firmware so you know what settings and menus to expect. Once done, power cycle the TV, unplug for 60 seconds, press the power button, then plug back in. This clears temporary glitches. Next, inspect HDMI or component cables for damage and secure connections. Loose or wrong input selection often causes split or duplicated halves. Finally, open the picture or display menu and note the current aspect ratio and screen position options, but now focus on display and connection settings to isolate the problem. Go to aspect ratio and try 16:9, just scan, and full screen to see which removes the split. Some content needs specific modes. If that fails, swap HDMI cables and try another input or source device to rule out a bad cable or broken port. Also check menus for picture-in-picture or dual display features and disable them, because those modes can create a split image when accidentally enabled. For persistent splits, update the TV firmware. Manufacturers fix display bugs and updates, so download via network or USB and install carefully. If the issue remains, perform a factory reset, backup channel lists and custom settings first because reset returns the display to defaults. Once reset, retest with a single known good source. If still split, access the service or diagnostics menu only if comfortable. Otherwise, contact manufacturer support with model, firmware, and images. One key tip: document each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.